This is the parking that I took. Pretty good. $22.50 for the whole day. Anything before that is like $2.25 an hour. 2 hours maximum. Very different contrast. Let's check out my toilets right here. There's only one toilet, at least they have one, you know. So this was definitely a clean, good Starbucks, you know, with a toilet. And it is full of parking spots out here. I know that rabbit from somewhere. Do you remember Utrecht with the same rabbit out there? We need to investigate.